Hello guys, in this video I'll show you on how to update or install the latest Ionic, especially if you're going to develop an application which is Ionic and the Vue.js. So on the default installation, okay, in the old version of Ionic, you can only choose from React and Angular as your JavaScript framework. So since Ionic already supported the Vue.js, we need to update our installation. Okay, so to fix that problem, all we need to do is to uninstall the previous installation. Okay, so just type npm uninstall space -g Ionic, then hit the or press the enter key. Then we need to install the latest version. Okay, so npm install -g @ionic/cli. Okay, then hit the enter key. So we are able to install our Ionic. Okay, so next is you need to try to create your project. So we'll be creating a project inside of our Ionic project folder. And then we'll be creating a project. So Ionic start. And then in here we'll press no. And then as you can see, we have the option Vue on our framework. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next videos.